Hey guys, I'm in Kroger right now getting some supplies. See what's going on here. All right, let me get some supplies here because you know. Okay, let me get some bread here. Get some chicken, bread. You know, something that we have to do. Save some money, a little bit. Use my coupon, a little bit. Yeah. All right. Yeah, this is nice. People are nice. They're getting some masks. Me, I'm away from people. I'm gonna go see if there's. I want some sardines. You know sardines, buddy. I want some sardines. Yeah, I want some sardines. Okay, we gotta get some chili. Get some chili here. Let's see. All right. Okay. Okay. Some lentil chili. You know, all kinds. Okay. Get one can. Yeah, save some money. A little bit. Okay. Uh, yeah, we gotta do this right. Whoa, we got one person. Let me put some mask on. Alright, cover him up. Alright, he's gone. Sorry, guys. I mean, not being mean, but when there's a person 6 feet, you need to have 6 feet, from each other, and then cover your face. Because, I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, I always cover my face because sometimes I feel ugly or I'm ugly. I have to cover my face anyway. So that's no big deal. But anyway, yeah, I want to go. Oh, sardines right here, man. We got the sardines right here. I got the sardines here. Get the sardines. It's my favorite, man. I want the Louisiana ones. Real hot. Whoa. All right. I'll get four sardines. All right. See? It's not bad at all. What else do I need? I need something. Diet Coke? Diet? Nah, that's poison, buddy. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Nah, you don't want to do that. Yeah. Let's move on here. Let's move on. Yeah, we need to. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away. Oops. We got people coming in here. Let me put my mask on. This is coming. Be precautionary. Hi guys. Stay away. Ah, let's go back to the vegetable area again. Yeah, this some fish. All right, this is a danger zone here. We need to cover our face here. Yeah, we need to cover our face. It's a danger zone. Got a lot of people here. All right, get it out. All right, let me get some eggs here. Eggs not bad. Eggs, just one egg is 59 cents. 59 cents. So I get all right, that's good. That's good. Sardines, I get in there I have a lot of toilet paper. I have let me go see what's going on here. Vegetable. I got green beans. I don't have to worry about. Uh, let me see. All right, let me get away from here because there's a lot of people. You know, there's a lot of people. Man. You're gonna worry about people because they'll be breathing, and you just gotta watch out. But I'm, yeah, you cannot fight it. Virus, you cannot fight it. I mean, All right, let's go see this fish sandwich here. Let me see. It's $5. This is like a 2 week supply for me. I wonder when that's like a dollar ones. Nah, let's forget about that. I just need something different here. Let me see what else we need. We got our egg. We have our banana, oranges. We have uh, the healthy natures. All right. Hi, how you doing? There you go. This is danger zone here, so I have to cover my face. All right. There's a lot of people here. Let me get away. Sorry. I mean, it's not. I don't know if I'm offensive. Or, sorry, guys. All right. Let me see. Look for fish. There's no fish. Fish on the other side. God, I gotta put on again this my mask. So many danger zone, you know. Right, take it off again. All right. We have the choice. We got tilapia. It's $4.99. Yeah, that's good enough. I don't have much money. I'm broke, man. I'm broke. Let's see what we have here. Salmon, five. Salmon, $5. 4.99. 11. Oh, I gotta put my mask on again. Alright, let's go for the tilapia. It's cheaper. Alright, back again. Let me see. I feel depressed about all this. I'm gonna get a liquor. No, not that liquor. Alright, I got everything. It looks like, you know what I need? I need cabbage. I need a cabbage, buddy. I need cabbage. I just want to let you know, guys. I just want to share from all over the world that this is America. This is how America does it. You know, we uh, we go to the store and we buy what we need. You know, I'm not a hoarder like some. Um, we're trying to, you know, at least share some, not just take everything, because we got a lot of people that needs it. All right, I gotta put my mask again. Danger zone. All right. Yeah, gotta get this. Yeah. Well, I bought a shade for. It's only for $1. I'm cheap, man. I'm cheap. Uh, all the potatoes. Nobody eats vegetables. In America, it's hardly you can find people eating vegetables. Look at that. So that means my food would never run out because I eat this kind. Uh, get this one out. It's hard to okay. It's hard to get this one when you're holding your camera. Okay. Right, let me put this one back here for a minute. Nah, I cannot do that. Okay, I'm just gonna go. Yeah. Oh yeah, I like this. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to put it in here. This is my 2 weeks uh, supply. I have sardines. This is the sardines I like. Yes, this is awesome. See, I'm not I'm not saying, oh, I don't like to eat sardines. I could eat spam, but there's no spam here. But what can we say, you know? What can I say? What, apples? Nobody's eating the apples. Look at this. Nobody's eating the apples. Oh, look at all this. It's really, look at that. Well, it's time to go back. It's time to check out, man. Because about to check out. Because I'm not going to be staying here for a long time. You know, I just want to show on my blog how we do things here around in the USA, you know? I'm just scared when somebody comes up, put my mask on. I mean, no offense. Yeah, but, you know, all right. Check out area. I'm not, I should go to the counter? No. But anyway, I'm going to stay away because you got a lot of people right there. A lot of people. Yeah, it's not good. Just going to stay here. Yeah. All right, guys, we'll just end it here. Thanks. All right, I'll end it here.